Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on the integration of eViews with Python. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will explore how Python can increase your data analysis and modeling capabilities within eViews software. To use the eViews external interface to Python, you must have Python installed on your computer. If you do not currently have Python installed, simply go to the official Python website and download the latest version of Python. Or you can install Azure Data Studio to execute the Python command. And here you can see that I'm using Azure Data Studio Python 3 and attach to localhost, and then we can manage the packages. Basically, Azure Data Studio provides a comprehensive and efficient environment for Python development. And under manage packages, you can manage the package. Like here you can see that the very popular package type pip that you can install. Okay, let me go back to the eViews. The next step is to connect eViews with Python. So simply go to the options, general options, and then click on external program interface. And here you can see that if home path is blank, then click on that button and navigate your local Python installation. And here I am using Azure Data Studio Python, then click OK. So now we are ready to use Python programming. So all external program interface method must open with the command xopen. So write xopen in the eViews command window. So this is the eViews command window. Write xopen p. P means that will open up Python command window, and then press enter button. Alright, so you will see the Python window. This is the Python window, and this is the Python console where you can write the Python programming. So we have an open connection to Python, and therefore we can start the eViews integration with Python. First of all, load the required packages in Python. Okay, and then second package. And then we can import the last package related to plotting. So this is the plotting library, and press enter button. Okay, all right. Now we can send eViews data to Python. And here I am using a strike dataset which has 103 observations. And this dataset includes three variables. The first variable is Feb, which is a categorical variable, February, the month name, and then the second variable IP, and the last variable num, which means that number of strikes. So this is count variable. So we can send this dataset, this eViews dataset to Python. So send this eViews dataset to Python by writing the command export the variable name. Since we have three variables, therefore I can write here three variables. So basically this export command send eViews dataset to Python. So therefore we can start by writing export. and then press enter button. And here we see that 3 objects created successfully. The second option is to create a data frame with the name of the dataset is strike. So I can write export and the type of the dataset, that is B type, and the name data frame. This is the data frame type, and here we can write the name of the dataset. I want to assign strike. So this is the name of the dataset, and then you can write the variable names num, IP, and fetch. So these 3 variables are given under strike dataset, and then press enter button. So we see that strike data frame created successfully. So simply write the data frame name in Python console to display the output. For example, just write strike here and press enter. So we can write the name of the dataset strike. This is the name of the dataset, and press enter button. So we can see that this is the uh, dataset where we have 3 variables: number of strike, IP, and the last variable is February. You may examine the summary statistics of individual and group of variables. For example, write this command. Okay, so this command will show the summary statistics of the variable number of strike. And here we can see that this is the summary statistics where we have a total observation 103. The mean of this variable is 5.49, and similarly you can see standard deviation, minimum value, quartiles, and then maximum values. Similarly, we can also show the summary statistics of the whole data set. So we know that the name of the data set is strike. So we can write that strike dot describe and press enter button. And here we have a summary statistics of the whole data set. So the total number of observation is 103. Similarly, we have 103 observation for IP variable and February. Then the average value, and then we have a standard deviations, minimum and quartiles, and then maximum values of the variables. Now draw a histogram of the variables of number of strike. So we can write plt.hist and the write the variable name, and then press enter button. So the histogram of the number of strikes variable is created. Now we can show the histogram of this variable by writing this command plt.show, press enter button. This is the histogram of the variable number of strikes. Alright, if you want to get, for instance, let's say we want to create a new variable called log of number of strikes. So we can write log, and the new variable name is number. So we can take and the name of the variable. If you want to get a new variable, the name of the new variable is log of number of strike, and this is the log of this variable. then press enter button. Now we have a new variable called log of number of strike, and we want to get back this new variable from Python to EViews here. So for that purpose, you can use xget command. So simply uh, write here xget and then the name of the new variable, which is log of number of strike, and then press enter button. So here you can see that the new variable with name log of number of strike is created successfully. So just open up this variable, and here you can see that the data set that we extracted from Python to eViews. So this procedure shows how you can integrate Python with eViews. Thank you for watching this video.